Hey, are you here because you're interested in knowing the best way to leverage affiliate marketing? Well, I'll be honest with you. Most people fail or end up quitting because they're not making any money. Now, I can stand here and boast and brag about the type of money I'm currently making with affiliate marketing. Even though that might help motivate you, it's not going to help educate you. You see, I've been there. I struggled for years until I finally figured out this lucrative business model. See, my goal is to help you save time, money, and to help you become successful with your online business. Hey, my name is Mark Anthony Buchanan, and today I have a free video training that will help you master certain key elements you need in order to be successful with affiliate marketing. No need to pull out your wallet or your credit card. This training is completely free. Nothing to sell, just 100% value. Just click the link above or below and simply tell me where to send this free training for your immediate access. Again, 97% of all marketers fail because of all the fluff and gimmicks that they've succumbed to over the internet. Don't be a statistic. Click the link today and get instant access to this free training, available now for a limited time. Hope to see you on the inside. Peace.